Pinky.
Hi.
Well, how can I help you, Pinky? By the looks of your nose, I'd say you have a question.
I'm trying to improve my writing.
Well, that's great. You know, I've just been looking at Pyramid Writing by Lanny Black. Maybe I can help you. What do you have so far?
Bird 8.
Well, now that's a great start. Bird 8. You've got a subject and a predicate. Lanny says we should morph those two words. Morph means to change. Can you think of a specific bird?
Ostrich.
Well, that's wonderful. Ostrich. Now 8.
Nibbled.
Good. Ostrich nibbled. Let's add an article. The ostrich nibbled. Better already.
Yeah.
Well, now the next step is what kind of? What kind of ostrich?
Nervous ostrich.
Well, that's good. The nervous ostrich nibbled. Good. How? How did he nibble?
Slowly.
Okay. The nervous ostrich slowly nibbled. We're almost there. It does sound better, doesn't it?
Yes.
In the end, we can say when, where, or why. How about where?
Okay. In the park.
Good. The nervous ostrich slowly nibbled in the park. Now that sounds like a sentence of a story I'd like to read.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Lanny. Maybe it can help us also.